Okay, so alright, so I've got a 34-inch full bank service cart, I guess is what it's called. US General. On the lid I've got a couple of batteries, my flashlight, a couple of magnetic trays, stickers, and my children gave me that. So the first thing up here, I've got hex, T-handle, whatever, I don't know, I keep forgetting what they're called, but pretty much this is what the top drawer looks like. I've got like miscellaneous stuff, impact sockets, regular chrome sockets. These here are for 1/2 inch, which I still need to buy. I really don't use much 1/2 inch. Regular sockets, I use like the impacts, but sooner or later I'll buy them. It's all good. I don't really mind not having them, and it's winter time, so I need that. And I've got a little cup with stuff. So yeah, this top drawer is just kind of like I'm not really sure on how I'm going to organize everything still. I'm still debating. The first sliding drawer, some extensions, my torque wrenches, oil filter stuff, my breaker bar. The most expensive tools: 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch ratchets. Second sliding drawer, I've got some Tecton wrenches, 6mm up to 24. Then these were just some SETI I found on Amazon. Some crow's feet, and for some reason I've got this random flare wrench. I can't remember why and for what I bought it, but oh well. Third sliding drawer, good old Hyper Tough. I really don't use those, but Capri tools, screwdrivers, Phillips, flats, gear wrench, oil filter canister sockets, good old Harbor Freight picks. I like these. Milwaukee bits. These are O2 sensor sockets. I don't know why I brought these Ryobi drill bits. I never use them. I might, now that I brought it up. A plier rack with different pliers and stuff on there. A bag of zip ties, some mini pry bars, thing to measure brake pads, rotors, whatever, miscellaneous tray. Fancy. So a couple of Milwaukee power tools, and so far my favorite 1/2 inch impact, Onyx. It's made by Astro, which is pretty nice. The next one down is just a random tool drawer. We got ASE sockets. Some of this stuff I really don't use. I think I used that once while being here at Honda. I used that brake pad thing once. I used that at home plenty of times, but here, nah, I can't use that. Then of course, mallet, baby Thor. And the bottom drawer looks like crap because it's a lot of junk stuff, but on a good note, this here is what I use for the brake calipers. Real handy tool. Then it's a lot of miscellaneous stuff. This stuff's awesome too. Like, it's winter time, so that comes in handy. Binder with flag times and all the information that I usually print out. Then a Capri Tool torque stick kit. Yeah, a lot of random stuff. So that's pretty much it on the tools.